Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock Monzo card. So you can unblock your Monzo card by unblocking your Monzo account. If you've put up the wrong pin in too many times when making a transfer or changing your account settings, Monzo will block it to keep your account safe. You can recover your pin by following these steps. The first step is going to Home tab of your application, then scrolling to the card of the affected account. After that, navigate there and tap the card details under your card. Or if you're using the new home screen from Monzo, select card. Then follow the steps that will be shown there and you will need to enter your card, your ID, and you'll be required to take a selfie video, after which you will have successfully unblocked your Monzo card. Also, Monzo will never ask for your PIN, long card number, or 3 digits from the back of your card. So please keep this a secret even from Monzo's customer services. Once they will verify your identity, they will instantly unblock your PIN and will show you a reminder. Then you can easily have the access to your Monzo card. So that is how you unblock Monzo card. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.